Happy birthday, Isa. We're proud of your accomplishments. I'm sure your parents are as well. So remember to always honor your parents. It is one of the 10 commandments we as Christians are to follow. It's there for a reason. So, happy birthday. Have a blast.
Happy birthday, Pasko! So happy! Dibu-dibu na siya! I remember, mga 4 years old ka pa lang. You used to bully me. Lagyan mo ka niloloko. Ngayon, you're dalaga na. Diba? I'm so proud of you, baby. I love you. I want you to know na I will not let anybody hurt you. Okay? I love you, Nak. I'm so proud of you and hold on to your faith, Nak, huh? Love you again. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Isa. I remember the day that you were born and thinking that you were the best Christmas present an ate could ever hope for. And 18 years later, it's still true. One of the best parts of my life was getting to be there for you and watching you grow up. And I am so proud of the woman that you're growing up to be. I hope you know that I am always here for you, whatever you need and no matter what, and that I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Isa. I hope you're enjoying college. Just know that you can call me to talk about anything.
Happy birthday, Isa. Wow, you're 18 now. Before, I used to carry you. Na ngayon, hindi na kita mabubuhat because you're taller than me now. Nung wala pa si Rosie and Enzo, ikaw yung unang baby ng buhay ni Mama. When I first saw you, binigyan mo uli ng bright and color yung life ni Mama. I just wish you, anak, na maging mabait kang bata, mag-aral kang mabuti, and lagi kang susunod sa parents mo. And andito lang kami ni Papa, ni Mama, tsaka si Enzo para sa'yo, and including Rosie as well. Happy 18th birthday, anak. I'm so proud of you. I love you. Happy 18th birthday.
Hey Isa, happy 18th birthday. Congratulations on your debut. It has been a privilege to see you grow these last 3 years into a beautiful, successful young lady who has a very bright future. Just continue to do the best that you always do. And don't forget that when challenges arrive, to fall back on the foundations that your family and your mom and dad instilled in you. Those are the core values that we hold dearly as we grow. In every challenge, we always are tested, but as long as we fall back on those foundations that we were taught, we come out succeeding. But again, I wish you the best in your academic career, in your professional career, and in your family in the future. Again, happy birthday, congratulations, and salud.
Ate, happy 18th birthday, Neng. On this very special milestone, my heart is filled with gratitude to God for your life. Watching you grow has been one of the greatest joys, and I truly treat you as my own daughter. From the young girl you once were to be strong, kind, and accomplished young woman you are today, your journey has been inspiring. And I'm so proud of you, Isa, all that you have achieved and accomplished through your hard work, faith, and perseverance. May this new chapter of your adulthood bring you closer to your dreams, strengthen your character, and deepen your trust in God's plans for your life. Always remember Isa from Jeremiah chapter 29 rather, verse 11. The Lord has plans for you, plans to prosper you and to give you hope and a future. As you move forward, never forget that you are never alone. We are always here, your Ninang, Noah, and Ashley, to guide, support, and love you through every season of your life. Isa, continue to walk with faith, humility, and courage. We love you so much, Ning. May God bless you with abundantly today and always.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate! On this very special milestone, I thank God for your life and for the beautiful young woman you are becoming. Watching you grow through the years has been a blessing to my heart. You have always felt like my own eldest daughter, and I'm so proud of the grace, kindness, and strength you carry. Seeing you grow alongside with Noah has been especially meaningful. You have shared laughter, lessons, and memories that I will always cherish. May this new chapter of adulthood be guided by faith, wisdom, and courage, and may God's light continue to lead your steps wherever life takes you. Always remember you are deeply loved, supported, and prayed for. I believe you in all that you are become. Once again, I love you so much, Ate. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate. On this special day, I thank God for your life and for the blessing of having you as my eldest sister. Your guidance, love, and strength mean more to me than words can say. May the Lord continue to guide your steps, protect your heart, and fill your future with hope and purpose. I love you so much, Ate.
Happy 18th birthday, Isabel. Thank God for your life and for the years we've grown side by side. It still feels unreal that you're not just a friend to me, you're like a sister, and I truly treat you as one. Thank you for the laughter, the memories, and the constant support. May God guide your steps, bless your dreams, and keep you joyful as you enter this new chapter. Stay amazing and welcome to adulthood. Don't worry, we're figuring it out together.
Oh, yan.
Hi Isa, happy 18th birthday, and I'm wishing you the best in life, and I'm welcoming you in the adulthood, and as you go further into the life, may you have the wisdom and knowledge continuously coming from the Lord, and I hope you will be the best person you can be in this coming new year of yours. Thank you! Happy birthday and Merry Christmas!
Hi, Isa! Merry Christmas! It's Tita Carmi here. So, ikaw ay 18 na. At kami ay masaya rito na magdiriwang ka na ng 18th birthday mo. So, ikaw ay nasa, dalagang buhay. So, ang prayer ko para sa'yo is maging malakas ka, maging matalino, at yung wisdom na bigay sa'yo ng Lord ay patuloy na magamit mo para sa mabubuting bagay, and may our Lord guide you with wisdom, knowledge as you make decisions para sa iyo, sa mga gagawin mo sa iyong next journey of your life. Again, happy 18th birthday! Enjoy!
Yan, so hi Isa, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. So 18 ka na. Siyempre, ang laging message ko sa mga nag-18th birthday, pwede ka nang makulong. And yun, and sana pag-uwi mo at magkaroon tayo ng bonding together ng mga tayo, magpipinsan sila Nicole, Ashley. So yun, para na-experience mo rin kung gaano kasaya dito. Yun lang.
Hi Isa, this is Steve Joey. Greeting you happy birthday and Merry Christmas at the same time. And we are so lucky to have you, especially your dad and your mom. Is really proud of you. You're the first apple of the eye, and you will always be their eldest daughter. And I want to say thank you for being kind and being respectful to your parents, and a lovely sister, older sister to Yasi. You know, please take good care of Yasi as you still thanking for every beat of your heart. Your mom and dad will always be there for you, and also us will be here for you. So happy birthday and Merry Christmas, Isa.
Happy birthday, Isa! Merry Christmas!
Happy 18th birthday, Isa!
Birthday, Isa.
I'm so happy that you're already an adult now, that you can do more things on your own. I know that you are dreaming of something more bigger, and I wish you can do it. And stay safe and keep healthy.
We love
you!
Love you!
Mwah!
Happy birthday, Isa! More blessings to come and enjoy!
Happy birthday, Tita Isa! I hope you have a nice day, great day with the 18th birthday! I love you! Happy birthday, Ninang Isa! May your birthday be the start of a year filled with blessings and success. I love you!
Hi Isa, happy birthday. Huwag mo nang pansinin yung itsura ni Kuya. Galing kong trangkaso at marami ang order na ginagawa ngayon. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Wala akong dalang white flower kasi kailangan may flower daw. Ang meron lang white flower yung pampahid sa sakit ng katawan. Pagka may pagkakataon, makabalik ng Pilipinas, bisita ka. Pagka-camping, nag-iilog tayo. Okay? Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Isa! Happy 18th birthday, Isa. Welcome to a brand new chapter filled with opportunities, growth, and amazing memories. May you always believe in yourself and chase your dreams with confidence.
Yes.
Enjoy your special day. You deserve it. Wishing you happiness, success, and lots of unforgettable
moments as you step in the adulthood.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Isa!
Hello, Isa. I'd like to greet you a happy 18th birthday and Merry Christmas too. From Philippines. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday, Isa! This is for our future Miss Universe Canada! Merry Christmas and a happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Isa!
Happy 18th birthday, Isa! Hope you have the best birthday ever. Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Isa! Wish you all the best and good health. We love you.
Hi, Isa! Wishing you a best birthday with good health and happiness.
Happy 18th birthday, Isa. Wishing you happiness and good health always.
Happy birthday, Isa. Have fun and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Isa. Wish you the birthday.
Happy birthday, Isa.
Happy birthday, Ate Isa.
Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday. Sana during adulthood na, sana ma-meet mo lahat ng dreams mo sa buhay. Tapos enjoy lang yung life natin. Maiksi lang yan. So enjoy lang natin lahat ng dreams mo, makakamit mo yan. Good health lang lagi. Yan. Mahalin mo sila mama at papa mo, tsaka yung kapatid mo. along the way, mamimit mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Yan. Happy birthday, Isa. Birthday.
Go!
Happy birthday, Ate Isa. Alam ko, gusto mo na talagang matapos yung studies mo para gusto mo na talagang mag-work, nag-enjoy ka sa work mo. Tapos basta palagi ka lang good girl, tapos palagi ka magpe-pray na tutulungan ka sa lahat ng gusto mong maabot, yung mga dreams mo, tutulungan ka ni Papa God, i-guide ka niya palagi. Yun palagi yung ipagdarasal natin, be. Tapos, maging mabait ka kay Mama, tsaka kay Papa mo, kay Yasi. Diba? Alam ko naman, good girl ka eh. Kaya, lahat ng dreams mo, matutupad yan. In perfect time, diba? Ibibigay lahat yan ni Papa G sa'yo. Kasi mabait na bata ka. Kaya nga December 25 yung birthday mo eh, diba? Happy birthday, bebe. I love you. Manju, manju. Mamwa, chup, chup.
Si Papa.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Isa! Hi, best friend! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Isa! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Wish ko sa'yo maging healthy and magpursige sa pag-aaral. Love you, mag-iingat ka lagi. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Isa! Congrats on your debut. I'm so proud of the woman you've become. I hope all your dreams come true. Happy birthday! More birthdays to come.
Hi Isa, happy birthday. May this new chapter of your life be filled with love, joy, hope, and your dreams coming true. Merry Christmas! I love you! Bye-bye!
Hi, Isa! Merry Christmas and happy birthday to you! Hi, best friend! We love you here from Philippines! Mabuhay!